Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we take a look at PC shipments. We talked about how last year, 2020, because of the pandemic, PC sales rose at an incredible pace, almost reaching back to the level 10 years ago when the PC sales started declining. Well, first, what's happening in the second quarter of 2021? PC makers sold 77.6 million units. Now, that is a gain of 11.7% year over year, but both Gartner and IDC are actually sounding an alarm. This is way slower pace than it was. They say that PC sales are slowing down at a very fast pace. It seems that people are now shifting to something else as the pandemic is slowly going away. For a lot of people, life is getting back to more of a normal life like before. So PC sales are not as important as they were. Now, that is still a good number, but that's something that we're going to have to check for the months and years to come. So it'll be interesting to see what the rest of the year is going to be like. And next year, we're probably going to have some decline in PC sales as we had before. Now, there's mixed signals because of this. Enterprise are getting back online, back to work. So there could be more sales of PCs in enterprise because of this. But for consumers, it's the end of the honeymoon of PC. The other thing also is that PC prices have risen quite a lot because of part shortage and higher sales. Now they say that will actually increase the fact that people do not want to buy new PCs. So that means the decline is going to go faster because of higher prices. Who are the world's PC makers? Well, the number one PC maker in the world is Lenovo, with 18.6 million units sold. So they have 24% of the PC market. HP was number two at 16.4 million units, and Dell is number three at 13 million units. To give you an idea, so the top three PC makers together are a lot of PCs. Mac is at 7.9%. They sold 6 million units. If you compare that to 70 million PCs, the Mac market stays at its roughly 7, 8, 9% area that it always been, not really increasing. Now, the future is going to be interesting. Will Windows 11 boost sales? Will Windows 11 help the slowing PC market maybe rebound? That's anyone's guess, but it doesn't look like it for now. And Windows 10 is still good for 4 years. People are not necessarily going to jump on the bandwagon to buy a new PC just because the new Windows is out. So interesting numbers, and there's a big slowdown in PC sales. That was expected, by the way. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.